So you've heard me carrying on about these power supplies that I've had in the backyard. I got the top off, but that's 2 transformers. Those probably weigh 25 pounds a piece. And then there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 8 batteries in this module. So this thing is easily 100 pounds to try to pick up. So I've actually got it on a scissors lift so I can lift it up to where I can work at it. I had it in the back of the truck. I rolled the scissors lift up to the truck, raised it, and then slid the unit onto the lift. Hey, pretty cool. This way I didn't have to pick it up. I was able to just slide it. This is the first day in weeks that is actually warm enough to go outside. I cannot wait to get these things scrapped and out of here. Okay, so this is a battery backup from a server. Tell you, there are about 100 screws in this thing to take apart. Like I said, all I expect to really get out of here are the 2 transformers. And I'll get these batteries, of course. Don't mind the neighborhood idiots. They go on like this all the time. Unfortunately, I am going to need 2 hands to get the rest of this free, so I did want to show you what was in here. Again, if you go to slide this out of your car, you'll need a scissors lift. I just slid the thing onto the lift and wheeled it over into the backyard. I've got that one. I've got this one. Oops. I got this one here. And I have one more under the fan there. You can see we still got a little bit of snow. So I'm going to try and get these done today. I can't really video it because I need both hands.